socket do you need?
I think I already got the socket that I need, but I gotta get that drain plug right here for the oil. So we're gonna loosen it up, and then we're gonna come back up top.
My ears and my nerves.
And we're gonna loosen
It's getting on
this
my
up.
nerves.
You get on my nerves already.
Yeah.
Alright, we got a drain plug out.
Daddy,
Got the oil coming out.
Daddy, I wanna go to Walmart.
It's coming out slow because I ain't loosened up the top.
Daddy, I wanna go to Walmart.
Here's
Daddy.
plug. They ain't got many
Daddy,
metal shavings.
you're not taking a picture of
That's a
it.
good thing. So, loosen up this. Now it's really coming out.
Yep, it's really coming.
Loosen up this top right here.
Yep.
Now it's pouring out.
Yep.
So we good to go.
Yep.
Everything's so good. So far, so good.
That's Daddy.
Alright, got my oil filter back on. Got my drain plug back in. Now we gotta top it off. Make sure we got the right amount of oil in it. Then I'll fire it up. Give it a spin around the block. Come back and check it.